lot of traffic, many access points in and out of the corridor, and so there was a lot of concern or a change in access. And you can imagine that connecting 200 dots or 200 access points along that road was pretty important in making sure that we had adequate safety. When we think about sustainable use, the design was put together in such a way that we were able to source almost 80% of the materials locally. And being able to reuse recycled sources, almost 60% for this project, was important to us. But perhaps the most important thing to the community was that we were able to directly inject $11 million back into the community through jobs and through local material purchases. And so we're particularly proud of the fact that we could use sustainable measures not only in the design and the construction, but then carry those forward in the industry. I think the most important thing to me, though, was we've got a road here that the community can be very proud of.